20 years selling coconuts on the streets. So ang imong ruta dili gid kuya. So he's just around capital area selling coconuts. But you have to think 20 years mo na ni imong gibuhi sa imong pamilya kuya. So you can see that he's really earning a living. This is the road near our capital building here in Cebu City. And you can see that's the capital that you're looking on the left side. But this is the roadside I'm into. This is called Don Hill Garcia Road. And we have our brothers that has been squattered here by the city government due to a development that they plan to build here. But this been a case here because the people that live here are fighting for their rights to have a proper relocation before they can get kicked out of this place. So what I'm trying to show you is the location wise and what you can see around our Capitol building. So the people that's been asked to leave are still continuing their trade, so you can still see the businesses around the area. They have eateries, to welding area, welding iron works, vulcanizing motorbikes. So there's still a case, that's why they're not still been fully kicked out, only a few of them, because these people that stay here is demanding for relocation. But that is our Capitol building. So this is like the Capitol area. So you can see that the roads there is wide, but it's become a bottleneck around here. Still narrows down. And this is going on the right, they're going to the NBI main office. And everywhere here, you can see people selling everything. Pila kuya? 35 ang buko. So this is a common thing to see, a cart full of coconuts. So he's selling his items here on a cart. Usa lang sir, tagay ko. Ay ko kuan dong bi. 35. So he's preparing the coconut. It's 35 per coconut, and he's gonna put it on the plastic bag. Di sa kadakpon diri kuya? So I said, are you allowed to sell here? Siyempre tagain. So he's gonna scrape the coconut meat. Pila siya makita ni Juanes kaadlaw kuya?
Hindi.
Ang normal 500 ang minimum. So he earns like minimum of 500 pesos a day for selling coconuts. Lubira jud mo tinda kuya, wa ni lain. So he only sells coconut. Asam sa kamang lubi? So he got someone who supplies coconut from him. Yeah. So you ask for straw, and you drink the coconut juice, fresh coconut juice. So he got someone that delivers coconut from him from Karkar. May said kuya, oy kidi kadakpon kay kusog beng dako pro. Maubat? Wala diri. Oo, ditong kapikas gikan lagi. So he just on the lookout and then watch where if there's any more police or anyone that before, because here in Cebu City they're been warning pa man sa kuya no. They've been warned first before they get sequestered, so they have to move on. Pila sa imong mahalin ng pila ka buok? So about 60 minimum coconut that he sells every day, minimum, and then minimum profit is 500 pesos. Ako ning ikuan sa kuan kuya kay wala jud ni makikulubi. Lagi. Tama. Di ka dong? Ha? Lagi, wala ni di ba ni mo tubo dito sa Amerika kuya? Lagi. And also coconut is medicinal, no? It's good for your if you got your urinal problems and different things, kidney stones. We always heard around here that you need to drink coconut water if you have problems with kidneys. Pila nakakatuig nagkuha na ni kuya? 20 years selling coconuts on the streets. So ang imong ruta dili lagi kuya. So he's just around capital area selling coconuts. But you have to think 20 years mo na ni imong gibuhi sa imong pamilya kuya. So you can see that he's really earning a living. Pila na kapag imong anak kuya? Pila na 20 years old of 4. So you got 4 children. Well, eldest mo 20 na. Nanay trabaho? So he's still on college. So he's still sending his his children to school, but he's working hard to earn a living every day. Every day juga ani kuya no, kugihanan mo kuya eh. Earning a living selling coconuts on the streets. So you can see that they are not really helpless. They can do something for their lives, even with this. You think it's a mere selling, but he during high season, especially on summer, he earns about over 1,000 pesos profit a day because he have 2 lots of coconut to sell. So okay ra kay kuya. Pila na imo edad kuya? 40. Dugi 20 pa ka nang mindan ning coconut di ay? Okay, hinda ko 28. Oh, 20, 48 na day karon. Hindi. 40. So 20 years old, he start selling coconut. So you can see it's very popular. It's a very refreshing drink. Fresh coconut here in the Philippines. Naalagi baga-baga sa kuya, no? So they always sell the young coconuts. They can tell by the sound of the... Unsaan pag ilang dili mahumok pa siya. Oh, they can tell by the sound of the water. So if it's really loud, then it's already old. Only good for taking out the milk for cooking. But this one, you still can eat the flesh. Oh, sakto para sa kuha ba? Huh? So this is the perfect one for your the young coconuts are perfect for your kidney problems, urinal. So this one, because it's brown, so you can see it's still so young to scrape off. There's no flesh on it. Mailhan na din na. Mailhan na din na sa tingog. Mao ba? Because the same with watermelon, you can tell by the sun. If you smack the side of the watermelon, the expert can tell if it's sweet or not just by the sound. And the same with the coconut, by the sound of the liquid, they can tell if it's old or young. Taga dinhi jud ka kuya? Tabuan niya, maabot ka diri. So he's from Tabuan. So he's just selling here. This is his route around Capitol grounds.